Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, my today's video contains a wide variety of design ideas that how you can design your dresses with the help of the art of hand embroidery. But guys, don't go anywhere. The scope is not only limited to this. If you don't like the art of hand embroidery or you don't know how to embroider, then you can also use these very beautiful and pretty patterns for machine embroidery as well. So guys, before going into the further details, I have a simple request that if you are new to my channel, or you haven't subscribed my channel, or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And keep supporting us, keep showering your love with us as you always have been. With your love and support we have reached at this level, so help us to grow, guys. Subscribers are very important. If you have already subscribed to my channel, then you can also subscribe from many other devices. So guys, now let's move back towards our main content. That is how you can design your dresses. Friends, the basic idea and the basic purpose of today's collection of design ideas is that you can use them for all year or for different seasons. Like you can also design these dresses for winter dresses. You can also use these patterns of embroidery to design your summer dresses, to design your midsummer season dresses as well. Different combinations of colors have been used, light colors, bright colors, and mid-range family of colors. All of basic fabrics are being shown in this. So the whole entire video is totally based on plain color fabric, and the plain base of dress could be designed by using these beautiful patterns. And you can also get ideas related to borderline embroidery, hemline embroidery, sleeves border embroidery, sari border, dupatta pallu, as in floral all over embroidery patterns. Simple floral sprays also could be done to design your dress more eloquently. Today's video contains almost 75 plus creative, unique, and beautiful ideas that are going to serve you for a beautiful collection and decoration of your wardrobe. So 2024 will be full of new and creative design patterns for your dresses if you follow these patterns. So guys, you can design them. And the basic important things which we are going to discuss is that what type of material is being required by you to design these. So the material required to make these is an embroidery needle, embroidery frame, and the thread. If you want the embroidery to be thick, then I would suggest you to use wool for making these embroidery patterns. If the embroidery you want to be sleek, shiny, thin, and matte touch, then go with anchor or DMC. If you want to give more formal look, more shine and enhanced royal touch, then I would suggest you to use silky threads. So silk threads are also being very common. And guys, I want to discriminate one thing, that there is a big difference between silk ribbon and silky threads. Silk ribbon is the ribbon, and silky threads are threads for embroidery. Thank you so much for watching.